out to Jotnia, where Department of Public Health and Social Services PIO Janela Carrera is standing by. Usually we're hearing from her lately at the vaccination clinics, but they are doing a testing outreach.
Yeah, free community testing.
Right. Hi, Janela. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Chris and Bree. Chris, it's great to have you back.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What's it looking like over there?
When I came in, there was actually a long line of cars waiting for testing. So it's looking pretty good. It's about 30 minutes away before we officially open for testing. So we're really excited to bring our community testing to a more southern village this time around.
And just so everybody knows, this is only for testing. This is not where you get a vaccination. So don't go there.
Right. That's right. Thanks for clarifying that, because I think I had heard that there might have been another radio station that announced that there is vaccination going on here. So I did want to clarify that we're not offering any vaccines at Jonia. However, we do have a vaccination clinic at our Southern Region Community Health Center in Inarajan. So there are vaccines still being offered today, just not here in Jonia. It's happening in Inarajan at our Southern Clinic. So, and also Ukadu High School is not open today. So please don't go to Ukadu High School because there's nothing going on there. So I just want to make that clarification.
You know, we had Dr. Cabrera on earlier on the show, and he was talking about the rapid engagement team is going to be rolling out this weekend, and he said that you'd be able to provide more information on that. So what do you have for us?
Sorry, I didn't catch that, Chris. You're coming in a little low, your volume.
Dr. Cabrera was on earlier, and he had talked about deploying the rapid engagement team this Saturday.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So what can you tell us on that?
Yes. Yeah, so we will be deploying rapid engagement team once again, and we'll be going to the village of, we'll be in Derido, but we're going to Santa Ana. As you know, I think this was sometime maybe late last year, we did see some high positive cases in that area. And we wanted to just to ensure that there aren't any more positive cases. As you recall, our rapid engagement team was going out and targeting certain populations, particularly in our Micronesian population. Our rapid engagement team was offering testing, going door to door, and wanted to ensure that we were reaching populations that we weren't seeing coming out to get testing. So we're once again mobilizing a rapid engagement team in the Santa Ana area, and in this particular area, a lot of our Micronesian brothers and sisters live there. So we are once again mobilizing and offering free testing in this village.
Do you have any idea how many tests you're going to have available, or is that just based on who comes out to get swabbed?
When we did a survey of this area in Derido, I think we came upon about 50 or so residents that live there. So we're prepared to test all of them if hopefully they're willing to get tested. If we have to add a little bit more for padding, just in case there's more people. But when we spoke to some of the residents that live there, well, the survey that we did is about 50 residents that lived in that entire area.
Are you going to be heading out there with any members of the FSM community, maybe the community or civic organizations?
Yeah, in fact, we are already in communication with the FSM consulate office. In fact, I believe we're trying to organize a town hall with the FSM community leaders around the same time that we're going to be doing the rapid engagement team this weekend. So we're definitely in contact with the key leaders of the FSM community. So we're hoping that through these talks, maybe somebody from the FSM community will be part of our rapid engagement team, hopefully, if they're willing to come out with us. We're also going to have interpreters with us to, of course, be there and help us in the FSM languages. So we're going to be engaged with our FSM community.
The town hall, is that to talk about vaccines or about
Yes.
tests? Okay.
Yes, yeah. You know, while we're out there, we are planning to distribute educational material in the different FSM languages, just to encourage them to get vaccinated as well. You know, we're seeing a low participation in getting the FSM community vaccinated. Of course, the big question is why. So we want to get them some educational material, ensure that they're aware that there are vaccines out there for them, especially those who meet the eligibility criteria. So we're working on that now, is getting like the FAQs, you know, the different educational material that we have translated, excuse me, in the different languages. And then while we're out there during our rapid engagement team, we're going to get those materials out to them. And then also, the goal too is speaking to them one-on-one as well through our interpreters, and letting them know if they have any questions about the vaccines. We're there to answer their questions as well. And that's going to happen also through the town hall, and then speaking to them one-on-one, and then getting these educational materials out to them as well.
When is the town hall?
I don't think the time, I don't know if the time has been formalized yet, but the goal, I believe, I think Dr. Cabrera is the one that's part of this. I think it's at 9 this coming Saturday, but I'm not sure if that time is subject to change, because it's happening simultaneously alongside our rapid engagement team.
I see. Okay.
All right. Anything else, Janela?
No, just encouraging the community to come out. You know, we have our free community testing here in the village of Jonia at the Jonia Gym. And then, of course, we still have, you know, our vaccination clinic in the south in Arahan, our southern clinic. Nothing at Okadu. So just want to give that distinction, and no vaccination clinic here at Jonia. But I'm here at the Jonia Gym. We're going to be starting in about 30 minutes. So if you're interested in getting free free COVID-19 testing, even I'm getting confused, free COVID-19 testing, head on down to Jonia.
Thank
We're
you,
here till
Janela.
12 p.m.
Gotcha. Okay.
Thanks, Janela.
All right.
Keep us posted.
Thanks,
Okay.
Christopher.
See you. Bye. Hey, it's 8:32 on the link. The Breeze 93.9 is proudly brought to you by Carrier at 647 Cool, Calvo Enterprises, and IT&E. We'll take a quick break, and we're coming back with Guam EPA. Also, Crystal Paco San Augustine has reached out, and there is a draft version of the new executive order, as you heard right here on the link. I heard it here first, actually. Lieutenant Governor Josh Tenorio saying that we're anticipating a return to PCOR 2
By the end of this week.
by the end of this week is tomorrow. And this is largely in part, I mean, obviously the virus is not raging at the levels it was just a couple months ago, but they need to go into PCOR 2 for a return to face-to-face learning. I guess they do. I don't even know why we would go to PCOR